Good day, campers. Today I'm going to do a little bathroom caulking. I have looked all over YouTube trying to figure out places and tricks and all that for how to do this caulking, and literally all of the videos that I looked at talk about caulking to be able to paint. Bathrooms are different. RV bathrooms are even more different. RV bathrooms are small, they don't have a lot of space. So today I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned using plumber's tape. First thing I need to do is clean up what's in here. In order to finish cleaning up the glue from that terrible plastic trim I used, I'm going to remove the faucet to give me room to reach back here. Fortunately, I've added shut-off valves to this faucet to make it easy to remove. Be sure to check out my video on adding shut-off valves to an RV bathroom. So this is the key to the whole process. This is painter's tape. The nice thing about painter's tape is that it's easy to remove without leaving residue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the painter's tape to do just like you do when you're painting. I want to form a nice straight line where I want my silicone caulking to end. And you can put it on in little pieces, do however you need to do to get a nice clean edge. Now in this bathroom I'm going a little bigger area than I normally would because I damaged this when I tried to put that plastic stuff on. So it's not important that you fill this all up with the original caulk. We're going to spread it around with our finger. So I'm just going to run a good bead, add to it if I need to. So once you get it all nice and spread out, then it's important to take the tape off fairly quickly. You just want to look, make sure that you've got it all the way out to the edge. You want it kind of thin around the outer edge, and then we'll remove the tape. So that finishes it all up. It leaves you with a nice clean edge. Just what you don't want to do is let that silicone set any length of time, and you'll have a nice, clean, smooth edge. As usual, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.